First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, while it's too soon to get into specifics because that storm, that piece of energy that is a big piece of energy that's going to fuel the winter storm for a good chunk of the Ohio Valley come this later part of the weekend, it's still too soon to get into the details. But we do know that it stands right now, a good portion of the WBKO viewing area looks to be impacted in some form or fashion as we get into, say, Sunday and Monday. Well, let's show you First Alert Live Doppler radar. Excuse me. As we take a look around, we're seeing mostly clear skies. A few high clouds here and there. Temperature at 38 degrees, so we've made a nice recovery since early this morning when we were in the teens across southern Kentucky. Now, while we're not under any kind of watch or advisory yet, that could change as we go through time. And certainly right now, the only areas that are under the winter storm watch that we've talked about is off into the extreme northwestern counties, right along the Ohio River, but none of the WBKO viewing area is under any kind of advisory, watch, or warning situation. But as I mentioned even this morning, if you're watching or watch this on video, I said that this could be extended a little bit further south and east as new information comes in from the National Weather Service. And as I mentioned, I've got a conference call with them, a meeting actually after this show, and we're going to talk about that in detail. And then we'll let you know kind of how things progress from there. And of course, Shane will have a complete update on the new information coming in tonight, 5, 6, and 10. As we take a look at temperatures right now, it's mainly around freezing still to the north, but now we're starting to see some moderation into the mid and upper 30s as you head further south. Won't take long to get into the 40s, fairly dry atmosphere, so that means things should warm up pretty rapidly as we get into the afternoon. But we will see an increase in cloud cover, and we've been watching the clouds kind of move here and there and some filtered sunshine at times, but right now mostly sunny with some mid and high level clouds as we look down on Scottsville Road at this hour. 38 degrees right now, a little bit of a wind chill at 33, an east wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. And here's that dry atmosphere I'm telling you about right there. Dew point in the single digits, humidity just 27%. That's pretty dry. Franklin, you're at 38 at this hour, seeing some of those same high clouds over Simpson County. There's a little bit of cloud cover, but mainly sunny in Munfordville, 36. 36 in Litchfield and Grayson County with a few high clouds. And Mammoth Cave National Park looking pretty good right now with 37 degrees. 38 at the airport, 20s north, 30s, 40s, and now 50 degrees in Memphis, Tennessee. A sure sign that we're starting to get some warming as those southeasterly winds are coming in. But look at all the winter storm watch boxes that are up now, kind of arcing over Kentucky and north of the Ohio River. This is a flood watch that's up and down the Wabash River in southern Indiana. But again, that could be extended as far as the winter storm watch, and it all depends on what this does. And here you see that area of low pressure, the main piece of energy that's going to come in. Out ahead of it, little pieces of energy here in Southern California, finally putting an end to the drought there with heavy rains. These are the impulses that will hit us on Sunday. This is what's going to hit us on Monday, but it's still way offshore. That's why it's so hard to pin down just exactly who's going to get what. We got to wait for this system to get closer to us before we can do that. In the meantime, just prepare for the possibility we could see freezing rain, sleet, or snow. Mainly rain at first. We'll get a little piece of energy tonight, not associated with that storm, and a very little chance of rain overnight tonight. Then a pretty good day tomorrow. And we'll start Sunday dry, but then as we go through the day, this front's going to get locked up. It's going to sit here. Impulses of low pressure will ride along the front, and that's when the trouble will begin, followed by the very cold air that's behind that system. Increasing clouds, warmer today, upper 40s, and then for tonight, 36, chance of light rain. Tomorrow up to 54, a pretty good day for the Home Expo, and for those of you wanting to get a NOAA weather radio, we'll be there from 10 till 2. It's going to be late Saturday night and through the day Sunday. The heavy rain moves in, but it's Monday when the colder air comes in that we could see that mix. And again, who gets what, still yet to be determined. So stay connected all weekend. We'll keep you up to date, and we're back with more Midday in just a minute.